This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious jollof spaghetti. First, heat about 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onions and sauté them gently until they become translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is crucial for building a sweet flavor base for your sauce. Stir continuously to prevent burning, ensuring an even cook. After the onions are soft, add a teaspoon of minced garlic and a half teaspoon of grated ginger, stirring for about 1 minute until fragrant. Now, incorporate 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, cooking it for 3 minutes to deepen its color and flavor. Next, pour in your smooth tomato and pepper puree, mixing everything thoroughly. Let this simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully and the raw tomato taste to disappear. Now it's time to season our rich sauce. Add 1/2 teaspoon of curry powder and 1/4 teaspoon of thyme for that distinctive jollof taste. Crumble in 1 or 2 seasoning cubes, add a half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, adjusting to your preference. Pour in approximately 250 milliliters of vegetable or chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes, deepening the flavors even further. With your sauce beautifully simmered, it's time for the star ingredient, the spaghetti. Carefully add the broken pieces directly into the pot, ensuring they are mostly submerged in the rich jollof sauce. If the sauce looks too thick, you can add a little hot water, about 1/4 cup, to help the pasta cook properly. Stir gently to coat every strand, then cover the pot. Let it cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes, remembering to stir every 5 minutes to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.